Types of syntax directed translation. There are two types. One is S attribute, another one is L attribute. So what is the difference between them? What is the difference between them? The first one is in S attributed, it uses only synthesized attributes. It uses only synthesized attribute, while in L attribute it uses both synthesized and inherited. What is synthesized, what is inherited, we have learned in the last lecture. So the next one is in S attribute, semantic actions can be placed on right hand side of the production at rightmost place. At rightmost place. And what about L attribute? In L attribute, semantic actions can be placed on right hand side of the production at anywhere. And what is next? Anywhere. What is next? It in S attribute, it uses bottom up evaluation. And what is inside L attribute definition or L attribute? It uses depth first evaluation from left to right. And now come to the application of what are the application of syntax directed translation, or we can say application of SDT. So the application is evaluation of given arithmetic expression we can do by this, and we can convert infix expression to postfix through this. And next we can say we can convert infix to prefix via this, or we can say to store type information in the symbol table, we use SDT. Or we can say to construct a syntax tree, or the next application is to generate intermediate code, we use SDT. And what next? With the help of this, we can perform type checking. Or we can convert binary to decimal. The data from binary to decimal we can convert with the help of SDT. So these are all applications of SDT. And what kind of SDT we can use? S attributed and L attributed, and what is the difference between them, and what are the applications of SDT, all are here. So next we will learn how we can construct SDT with the help of example.